I need to get some water first. So what do we have to do? Right. Tower purchase info. Tower hover info. So like upgrading and stuff. Losing the actual game and then the high score. Winning the game. Well, not winning, but yeah. Oh, I forgot about the cursor. This is nice. I like this. It feels pretty good. You're not really like constrained or anything. You can just move wherever you want. Pick a tower. Nice. Very nice. This game, I don't know. The theme is just so weird. I don't know. Carrots are regenerating. Everything seems to be working really well. Next wave is onion. Hey, Bendo, what's up? There are the onions. I feel like my onions are upside down, but I'm not actually sure. Oh, they're getting stuck. What? All right, I must have messed up here. What the hell? Did I open the wrong thing? I must have opened the wrong thing. Yeah, I opened the wrong thing. So, okay, anyway, they're getting stuck and I don't know why. Let's see what's happening. That's not the issue. I mean, this looks fine. And then this should be being sent this. So maybe this one is messed up. Looks good though. This looks good too. I don't know why they're getting stuck. I mean, I can increase this zone size just so that does not happen. Right there. It should not happen now. Let's try it again. You gave up on your game. Oh, on your game jam. On my game jam. Well, what was the game jam? Mostly because I realized it's a science explain jam and not science jam. Right. Oh, right. Yeah. Was yours the potion thing? I didn't feel like it can be more than a memory game. Right. That's what I was saying. Yeah. Hey, dude. Like, some ideas just don't work out. It's all good. I mean, the fact that you did what you did is cool. Okay, so hopefully they don't get stuck here. I'm just gonna sell 2 of these towers just so they make it to here. Yeah, I know I have to fix the carrot thing. I know. All right, hopefully they don't get stuck. If they get stuck now, I would be very surprised and sad. Okay, I am surprised and sad. Wow. So, I mean, what's going on here? It's like you're not receiving a new position. But the new position is this. Wait. Oh. Wait. Yeah. What is going on? Could it be from the priority increase? I don't think so. That's really weird. That's very weird. What's up, Yoborg? Maybe... I mean, we can try just completely getting rid of the tile. So I need something that's angled like that. Like, I don't think this will work, but who knows? Do the carrot. Let's just go. Oh yeah, sorry. I don't think I added the thanks for reminding me. It's gonna be the week after next. It's gonna not this Sunday, but next Sunday. What's up, Billo? Okay, you're getting stuck too. What? Wait, this doesn't make any sense. I just copy and pasted a working one. Getting stuck too. What? Wait, this doesn't make any sense. I just copied. Sorry about that. Okay. So 913 is Nom Galaxy, so that means 9-20 is going to be The Sims, and Natalie is going to stream it. The Sims 4 specifically. All right, there we go. The panel has been updated, I think. Nice. The sky is orange, too many fires. Oh, yeah, you're in California. Holy shit, dude. I hope everything's okay. Yeah, I don't know what happens. It used to work. Can't you go to the older version? I mean, I could. I'd rather just fix what the hell's going on with this. Like, are they trying to move? I don't even know. No, they're trying to get to the position that they were. The new position isn't being overridden. All right, let's see. It just doesn't make sense that it works all the way up to that point. That's what doesn't make sense. Red skies, holy shit. I mean, and this is the logic. This is... Wait, I actually think I know what's wrong. Oh my god, Wait, I think. This only works because all of the positions were in a positive coordinate area. So what it needs to... It doesn't need to check if it's greater than 0. It needs to check if it's not 0. Wow. That's actually very interesting. And we're... Okay, there we go. Thought we were stuck. We were not. It's pretty funny how that works. So... Okay, this would pulse if it, yes, okay. So not if it's greater than 0, if it's not 0. So if this equals 0, not, if it's not 0, it pulses, which then pulses it off, I believe. Let's try that. Yeah, but I moved it all to the negative on purpose. Hey, Zypher, what's up? You're a very happy Zypher. That's good to hear. Did we update? Oh, wow, it actually updated. All right, I'm feeling good about this one. I'm feeling good. Let's see what happens. Why are you a happy Zypher? Let's hear it. Did you see I got my wire travel logic working? I did. I used on a curved wire. Yeah, so... Yeah, that didn't fix it. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. What? My people need me. No. Are they just gonna keep going? They're just gonna keep going. Jesus Christ. I don't even know. Like, I honestly don't even know. This has to be some fat wire bullshit. What? Why would it do that? Carrots be like freedom. The stream notification didn't trigger on Discord. That's weird. You're gonna fix it. Thanks. This is gonna be a fat wire. Can we? Okay, maybe we need to turn it into a skinny wire. So to do that, we can put it through a value slider. This will turn the fat wire into a skinny wire, and then hopefully it's gonna be easier to work with. Try that. How do you store momentum in a variable? Someone told me use a looped node. Yeah. I don't even know what that means. I mean, I know, like, okay, a loop node can store a fat wire, but that's not... I mean, I guess if you want to do that. Right, but store momentum. I mean, what is momentum? You just need to store, like... Well, wait, what do you mean, store momentum? What did you even add to that thing? What do you mean? To fix it, what did I just do? I added I passed the value through a slider so it would stay a skinny wire. Or so it would be a skinny wire. Yeah, momentum is physics stuff, but Zypher, if you're referring to your wire travel thing and you just want to keep momentum, you're vastly overthinking that. You are massively overthinking that. All you need to do is fake it. Just have every wire have some sort of value that it tells the player to... Because, like, I know what you're trying to do. You want the player to, like, shoot out in the direction that it ends in. So, dude, just fake it, dude. You do not have to implement some sort of momentum system or something. Although you said the player was already following the wire, like it was physically following the wire, so maybe you could use that. In your video, it looked like there was some sort of momentum. Not sure though. This is still hooked up. There was no reason for it to just go off into nowhere, unless... No, absolutely no reason for that to happen. I have no idea why that happened. Because it, like, the origin is, it wasn't even heading towards the origin. It was just heading that way. Yeah, dude, Andy, I don't know. Every time I go into this project, Duck has added something else. Dude, I'm not even sure. Okay, what the hell? Why? Center was too far away from origin? What? Oh, that's talking about the falling objects here. Hey, Clicks, what's up? We're running into a really weird issue. Well, I think it's weird. Does that fix it? I highly doubt it. You can actually make your player follow the keyframed object with a follower gadget. When you turn off the follower, the player will keep the momentum. Right, that's what, yeah. That's a cool idea. Oops. I don't know why the pathfinding is working up to this point. I don't know. Like, why does it work until... So, like, what's changing here? It's just gonna run straight past. What? Okay, you know what? Let's do the test. Let's do the test. I'm gonna move everything in positive area. Hey, Duck. And if this fixes it... Oh. Well, hold on. I'm gonna put it back, but... Okay. So if this fixes it, then at least I know what's wrong. What the hell is going on with the scenery? So far, so good. Okay. So it actually is a coordinates issue. Wow. That's very interesting, to say the least. That is very interesting. Okay. Okay. So let's take another look at our logic. I think I know what's wrong. Your new chip thing probably... No, that... My new chip thing? What are you talking about? It was just working. You saw it working. Why? No. Okay, so what's happening? What if we got the Y value? So we're saving it. Saving has no reason not to work, but what if we got the Y value from this, which right now, since we are not receiving any signal, the splitter isn't working. So to force the splitter to work, we can put a combiner into it like that. And then set the combiner to what we know the splitter will get. So something like that. And the Y is B. So what if we're only reading B? And if B equals 0, B is always going to be a number, right? So if B equals 0, not. So if B does not equal 0, then it pulses this off. This looks better. Let's try it. Ah, that's how it works. Wonder if I can make it so I can make the follower follow the next keyframed object on another wire. What? Wait, okay, what are you trying to do? And don't say momentum. Like, in your game, specifically, what are you trying to do? Thank you, Benda. Thank you. Have the player shoot from one wire to the next. Come on. It's like not only is it not overriding, it's like not saving properly. This is really weird. Let's try something else. Real life physics win? I have no idea. But that doesn't, no, like, what do you mean shoot from one wire to the next? What does that mean? He can destroy a mount with his brain. Oh, a mountain with my brain. Place a carrot lead manually and watch the logic. I should, honestly. I'll give it one more try, though. What we could do... It seems to be an issue with the saving. Oh, well, there's the issue. I'm going insane. I'm checking if it's greater than 0, but I need to check whether it's not 0. So now I'm checking if the saved object is greater than 0. What I should be checking is if the saved object's y is not 0. Yeah, that's my bad. All right. The follower was turning off and it just kept traveling in that direction. That makes sense. This is crazy. Thanks, Jack. All right, let's try it now. What does the follower even do? What's the chip for? Pathfinding. Path following, not finding. It's not finding a path. It's for follow. So it goes to this point, and then this point tells it to go to this point. This point tells it to go to this point. This point tells it to go to this point, etc. I should have said etc. a little sooner. That's what the chip does. So we're saving the coordinate. And it's been working, except once the values become negative, it stops working. Although I think I fixed it. I did fix it. That's good. Didn't it work before? Yes. But then I moved the entire game to the origin. So half of the points are positive. Half of the points are negative. Sorry for hitting the mic. And once we get to the negative points, it starts freaking the frick out. It's obviously working now. We fixed it. So that's good. We are so close to being able to release this for testing. Not like fully release it, but just for testing. All right, good. Okay, we can continue. So, tower purchase info. Tower purchase info. Now fix the wave UI. What's wrong with the wave UI? Except for the carrot. What do you mean? The wave UI is working. Yeah, I fixed it all. It's all working. Right? Oh, wait. Wait, didn't we have to go or something? Wait a second. Well, now I don't remember. Bless you. Pretty sure we fixed it. But yeah, the carrot's a little crazy. Can we... So what we need to do is just turn physics off for these strokes. Like that. Hey, there we go. So start next wave, and then it's a caret. It's a little hard to see. I would consider having a background. I just don't know what the background would be. I think this is fine for now. Yes, for the watermelon. No. Watermelon showed up, but it should have been celery. Or not celery, but asparagus and cucumber, right? Okay, but so the tower selecting UI. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the fact that the towers, like, we're gonna keep that. We're gonna completely keep this, but we're gonna add another visual on screen that shows all of the towers and also the info. So I think what we need to do is create some sort of visual that basically just shows. I mean, should I show what you get for each upgrade? I should, right? I should at least show how much it costs. Yeah, like Cluster Factory. I was thinking just a row of 8 on the bottom or something. The grid's off. That's good. So this is what I was thinking. What used to be there? Spider? Did we lose Spider? Oh my god. Am I gonna have to completely undo everything? Where is Spider? Did it get deleted? Oh. It's right there. It's right here. No, nobody panic. It's right here. It just got raised a little. Okay, I wonder if anyone caught that. Okay. So, I'm going to grab all of these and then do a similar thing for that I did here. Well, you'll see. I don't really want to have to redo this, so maybe we can make it look nice. What's up, babe? Okay. Oh yeah, there's no joint. Oh crap. I mean, it's not. What does an octopus even look like? I don't want to do this right now. At all. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, I guess. It's fine. So we can do something later. I really just don't want to deal with animating and like posing. It's so time consuming. And then the eagle sculpt is messed up because I deleted all the joints and some are still movable. You know what? Let's try to fix that because it's really not good. So if we place an eagle, I can't even afford an eagle right now. Just Google it. Yeah. Not a bad idea. All right, let's really pay attention and see what part falls off. What the oh, I think this is the bug where when you have exactly enough, it doesn't let you buy it. Okay, well, let's fix that. That bug's annoying. All right. There's a gap between two wires. When the player reaches the end of one wire, they move in between that and the start of a nearby wire. Then they travel through the new wire. Yeah, so they're like hopping from one to the other. Okay. Okay, so I mean, if you just turn the follower off, shouldn't it just keep going? Unless as long as you make the endpoint in a good spot. How are you? So when the character's following the wire, the character is invisible, obviously. You just make the character visible when they're done following? If you just turn the follower off, it should just like fly. The momentum should already be kept, now that I think about it. All right, so if money is not less than, wait, so why doesn't it let me buy it if I have exactly enough? So if we have anything here, what is this? We press X, and if our money is not less than what we're trying to buy, which means if our money is equal to or greater than, wait, that's it? Do I need to switch these two or something? It's checking if the money is less than the price. And if it's not, why doesn't that work? This is so weird. Like I bet you it doesn't work. We have 130. This costs 130. It doesn't work. I bet you it will work if we have 131. And if it doesn't, something else is wrong. I bet you this will work. Yeah, that does work. Okay, the math is right, but it doesn't let us buy if we have exactly enough. That's really weird. All right, so the left, it appears like the left wing, or my left, the wing on my left is falling apart. Yeah, it was movable. Alright. That was an easy fix. Hopefully. Hey, there we go. Alright, it's not immediately self-destructing. Great. Oh, you use movers. And when I turned off the follower, the movers were still working, right? Huh. Show logic of what? Okay, I mean, I did. This is it. Wait, unless this is upgrading. Oh shit, that's actually upgrading. My bad. So that's not the buying. That's the upgrading. I think the buying is in here. So maybe the buying is wrong, actually. Well, of course the buying's wrong. It's not working. Oh, here. If money is greater than the cost. Well, no wonder that's not working. No wonder. So what we need if money is not less than. Well, let's just see if it works with 131. It still does. Good. So it should work with 130 now. Yeah, the logic was just straight up wrong. That's awkward. So let's see if it works now. Okay, and we have 0 now. So good, that works. The produce explodes when touched. I'm not even sure how I don't want to do that. Sounds like a lot of work. The new wire logic I just animated is you just animated a small object traveling the wire and had both your puppet and the ball follow. Yeah, that's perfect. No movers. Then used a timer to reverse. Right. I remember reading that. Yeah, that's really smart too. You should just be able to turn the follower off and the momentum should be kept. But that's really smart. So you're faking it, which is perfect. You're not like it, you'll have to like for a new wire, you'll have to reanimate it or whatever, but who cares? Okay, so that's fixed. The eagle's fixed. Great. Can we do this now? So again, what we're doing is grabbing each of the sculpts and we're going to put them in the UI to basically show which one you're hovered on. Actually, this should be good. So if we select all of these, we can group them together. And let's leave it big for now. That's good. Big-ish. So let's see, what do we want it to look like on our screen? I'm trying to line up my screen now. Maybe actually up top. Like, I like down below, but then the wave thing would be in the way. So maybe, should the wave thing just disappear when we're selecting a tower? I like this, though. Make it look like that. I'm gonna turn the thermo off so I can actually work on this. I consider it on top, but a lot of UI is gonna be on top. How do I make things come towards me? Wasn't there a shortcut that was added? I just learned that the touchpad rotates things. Maybe we do it vertically, because this is kind of hard to do. Maybe the tiger's too big, too. Okay. Now how do we deal with like the perspective kind of stuff? We can rotate it just a little bit to make it look like there's less perspective, I guess. Jimmy World, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. This might be 4 or too much. Oh, it just looks weird. Doesn't look too bad though. The octopus is a little small, but that's okay. I can work with this. Where are the stats gonna go though? Probably the top right. Is what only a VR feature? You're gonna go to sleep? Have fun? Thanks, Benda. Have a good night, dude. Okay, so we're gonna put a chip on the outside of this group. Or maybe... That's not what we wanted. You know what? That's not what we're gonna do. Let's just put a chip in space. Chip in space. And then group them together. Something like that, just so we have something to grab onto. As well as put logic into. So let's see. This is going to go in the UI, but for now we're just going to work on it out here. So how are we going to do this? It shouldn't be that difficult. In fact, this is actually really easy to do. We're just going to tap into this thing. Is this the tower selection? No, it is not. This is the tower selection. Which tower? How do we know which tower we're selected on? I don't know. Let's try to figure it out. Is it this? Which would be this? It's this. This is what it is. Okay. It's this counter. So let's just grab this value. It's called current tower. And it's from 0 to 7, I believe. Or maybe it's from 1 to 7. Well, we have 8 towers, so it's 0 to 7. So it's from 0 to 7. Let's just get a selector, put it directly into the selector, and have 8 different, or 8 or 7? 8, because we have 8 different towers. So each one of these selector outputs represents one of the different towers. And what we need to do is basically highlight one of these or something. Somehow highlight them. So let's say they're on our screen, something like. Give me a second. Something like this. How do we highlight which one? Maybe like a cylinder below them. That would be kind of cool. Right? Or maybe they're already all on their platforms, which I did not copy and paste. And when you're selected on one of them, it like rises up or something. I'm not sure how minimal we want to go with this. Isn't there some sort of like... Can we get like cell shading or something? Wasn't that like a feature? That'd be kind of cool. No, let's try this. Let's get a number displayer. Let's make it display in scene, and let's try to make this look. Oh, let's rotate it. Let's try to make this look like some sort of circular platform. And we probably want to use a sculpt. I don't know how sculpty we want this to look. Maybe like a text displayer would look better. I don't know yet. So we're just trying things at this point. What's up, babe?
I'm annoyed. My professor like posted, she was like, try these practice problems before class. But it's like stuff we haven't gone over. So I'm like, how am I supposed to do the practice problems?
You're supposed to try, babe. I
tried and I was confused, so I didn't do that.
That was probably the idea, to confuse you. Is that a circle?
And then she like posted these other practice problems, and I'm like, I don't know how. Don't know.
I don't know what ye how.
Yeah. So it was like, it showed us a picture of a drug, and I'm like, okay. It's like, what's the pH in this? Or it's like, what is like the charge in the stomach? And I'm like, okay, I know this.
Great.
Carboxylic acid, the stomach is very acidic, so it's going to be neutral. It's going to be fully protonated.
So what went wrong, baby?
And then it's like, what is the ratio of ionized to unionized? And I'm like, I don't know how to do that.
Okay, then don't. Simple as that.
With one of your values as one.
Babe, then just don't. You don't have to stress about it.
And it just confused me. Like,
okay.
How do I do that?
You don't. You wait until class. It's okay.
I'm stupid. And then I felt really dumb. And I shouldn't feel dumb.
That's what I'm saying.
Over it.
That is literally what I'm saying.
But it's just really annoying. Also, another annoying thing.
We
were supposed to get our HelloFresh delivery today.
Oh, it didn't come.
And it is still in transit. It's in like freaking somewhere not here.
Uh-oh. Yikers. Who's delivering it? What
FedEx.
the heck? Really?
So tell Jared.
He doesn't deliver to us.
Tell Jared that he needs to fix that.
We went to Jared's. What's up, Ducky? You're 48 minutes late. That's all right. I forgive you. Well, I have them all shown because someone was complaining that you couldn't see them all.
See all the what? Oh my God! Wait, your background looks pretty good, but the board looks dumb.
Fair enough. Duckonomics made both of them, so you build them up, then you break them down.
I feel like I like the background with the aisles and the shopping cart. I feel like that should be like throughout. Like,
that would make sense, wouldn't it? That would make a lot of sense. That would make a lot of sense. I don't question it. Yeah, you'd think like this would just be the entire thing.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I don't know. It's not my area.
Okay, a game. Hear me out. So I had this Hello Kitty game for like the DS when I was little.
Okay.
It might have been for the Game Boy. I think it was for the DS. No, it was definitely for the Game Boy. And like there was a mini game in there where you had to like play like basically Frogger, but you were in a shopping like a store and you had to dodge shopping carts.
You had to dodge shopping carts?
Yeah.
That's
You had to
cool.
like go and get the cake or something and then like bring it back. I don't really remember. It was funny though.
And that was on the DS?
No, I think it was Game Boy. I'm pretty sure it's Game Boy. But yeah, that just made me think of that. And now I'm thinking a fun game would be just like it's a Walmart. You
Okay.
just walk around with a cart. There's no point.
What's the
you can
game?
You can just put stuff in your cart. It's fun.
You have really weird ideas.
Or you have like a time limit and you need to like find the right items and put them in your cart. But like your cart can get really full and you have to like move without things falling out and like go to the checkout line. And then you have to like scan them.
So
I think that would be really fun.
how would you even do that? Just like, is it a physics-based game?
No, so like you control the shopping cart. Like the POV is like it's like you're looking from your eyes and you're like holding the shopping cart so you can see your arms and the shopping cart in the aisles. And then you just like press like you control it with the stick thing, the D stick, D-pad. And then
Okay.
and then you have to like walk through the aisles and find the things you need. And you like press X.
Hey, Swarm. Thank you so much for the sub, dude. 16 months. You are insane. What's up, dude? I really appreciate the continued support. Have some hearts. 16 months. That is literally... Well, no, it's not. That is a year and 4 months. Holy crap. I was going to say a year and a half, but my math was not right. Hey, Donnie. What's up? The tower defense is coming along. No hey for you? I didn't notice you. I'm sorry. You have been noticed. So this is my idea.
So I should study for my classes.
Get my laptop out. Do it.
I did go over today's lecture. Other notes are not
All right. So pretend like. Oh, those have physics. Whatever. Pretend like that's on the screen. When I go here. So look. See how this one's white? And then that one's white? It matches up with what's here. But this will be on the screen. But the idea is like whichever one is selected has a white circle under it. I don't know, like I can't think of anything else. So we're just gonna do this, I guess, for now.
I'll read through my lectures. And then I'll list Sims.
Okay.
Oh, I had like that curry.
Are you
And
okay?
I had some mac and cheese with like hot sauce on it, like extra hot sauce.
Extra?
And now my stomach is like on fire. Like I can feel it. I don't like it.
That's not good. I don't know. What do you guys
Like
think?
milk.
Year and a third. Yeah, exactly. Year and a third. I mean, milk is just good to stop the spiciness. Have you reused your chess piece spawner? Chess piece spawner. I don't even remember. Oh, yeah, like the one enemy can spawn into a bunch. Yeah, I did do that. I just did that to save thermo, though. This is very annoying to copy and paste because I can only select one of them. And apparently I can't select either of these. Oh. If I can't select that one, and I can't select this one, then which one can I select? What's going on here? I can't select either. What am I supposed to do? I literally can't move either of these. What if I open both of them? Can I mean, one of them has to be moved. Wait, maybe... Oh, no. It's this. There we go. There we go. My bad, my bad. That was my bad. Like, you can only select one of them. I just want to select the one that I have selected. It's, like, not a difficult concept. Whatever. So I probably won't be... Yeah, I can't select this one, of course. This is very annoying to do. I wonder if there's a better way to do this. I mean, I'm sure there is, but... The DLC finally came out. In Minecraft Dungeons, nice. Just put no circle under the selected ones. I could try that. Yeah, probably. We'll see, though. I mean, even if I do that, I'm still going to have a circle under each and just have it permanently off. Or have it invisible, rather. This game sometimes. Like... Oh, my God. Alright, so obviously this doesn't look perfect. You know what I could do? Let's try aligning everything... Well, actually, first... do this. So obviously these represent the 8 different towers we can select, and I'm going to just put keyframes at the end of the selector outputs instead of hardwiring it. Okay, but what I was gonna say is, what if I line the animals up to the circles? I feel like that would be a good idea. So, I guess the first question is, can I line the circles up with each other? Am I actually going to have to, oh, Lord. Okay, maybe I have to select this one specifically. I just want these circles to be exactly the same. Maybe we should just have one circle and then animate it. That would be so much easier. Okay, let's just do that. Instead of, because like if I want to make a change, yeah, let's just do one circle. Okay, great. So this is the circle. Yo, you started learning C++. Never too late to learn C++. Okay. So the position for A, which is selecting the tiger, is going to be there. And the position for H, which is going to be selecting the pig. Why is this on? Oh. Okay, anyway, will be there. And then everywhere in between will be the other ones. I mean, I actually don't need this many keyframes. All I really could, I could just interpolate it, but yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. It's just cleaner all around. Hey, Donnie. It's, oh, how's it coming? You're probably asking Swarm that. You're learning it from Buzz 3D courses. Cool. Ooh, how to make a React API. Okay. Probably gonna add some database stuff too. Nice, nice. So to convert this into a percentage, I mean, we could use a calculator. I like using just a counter. 0 to 7. Then take the count progress. Okay, and now to like test it, we can get that same 0 to 7 one. Do this. So let's see if it actually moves. There you go, nice. Very nice. And they're already pretty much lined up, but let's just take the time and line them up a little bit better. Yeah, this will definitely change. Don't worry about it. But. I should have done that a long time ago. What's up, bruh? What up, bruh? It's not an issue, but would Toy happen to know an aura type animation to put on my character? An aura type animation? What does that mean? An aura. So like when you say animation, do you actually mean effect? Do you like the baguette that I put in the shopping cart? I don't know, do I? Yeah, that is some nice bread, Doc. That's some nice bread. An aura type effect. Not off the top of my head, no. Have you tried just searching aura in the Dreamiverse and see what comes up? I'm sure something will come up, right? Fog gadgets, yeah. I would probably use strokes, but you know, to each their own. Okay. Let's just delete it, I guess. And I mean, we can. Oh, we didn't group this. So let's group these together. And if we play, okay, some of them fall. So that's no good. Let's make them non-movable. Oh. Yikes, that's creepy as hell. Oh, is there still logic on this? Whoops. It doesn't matter. Look, we're just trying to get it playable. It doesn't have to. We'll worry about everything else later. Later. Okay, and this is going to be very small and right here. So let's just see what that looks like. Oh my god. It is unbelievably laggy. Holy shit. I think that has to do with the spider. But, okay, let's just see if it works. Okay, so the logic definitely works. It works really well, actually. Wow. There's just a lot wrong with the physics. If we turn this on, is it going to show us... Is there any logic that we forgot to get rid of? I don't think so, but... Yeah, oh, wow. The issue now, I think, which is causing a severe amount of lag, is just, like, the physics and stuff. Like, this spider has, like, 4 puppets in it. Like, it's literally, like, 4 different puppets. Hey,
what's going on, guys? Zombie here. Welcome back.
I'm gonna try my very best to, like, get all this stuff out. Just so it's like a statue. Okay, from this point, we should be able to fix it. I can't zoom in anymore. It's just not letting me. Holy shit.
Welcome back. Zombie here. I haven't seen wands like this in a while. Stabs that wreck-faced wizard zombies. Literally zombies that are wizards. It's insane. Look, Dumbledore! I'm a wizard too!
This is a very weird song. But I kind of like it. This is insanely frustrating to work on. Like, this is infuriating, frankly. I don't want to do this. Like, the fact that I just want a spider sculpt. Like, I don't... I don't want a spider sculpt with 8 fucking puppets in it that I have to deconstruct just to reconstruct. Like, at this point, I'd literally rather just make it myself. I'm not gonna do that, but... This is insanely frustrating. And I can't even zoom in to fix this. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm... If I can even click on it. Okay. But now they're going to be super annoying to pose. Naturally, because I took the joints out, but it's fine. It's all fine. Of course, all the eyes are separate sculpts, because why would they be the same sculpt? That would make way too much sense. Why? Oh my god.
What up?
Let's be as inefficient as possible.
She had to scrub Momo's face for like 5 minutes because he's got so much acne.
Still?
Yeah.
Sure you love that.
He was surprisingly calm. I like wrapped him in a blanket and he just kind of gave up and laid there.
Oh, you had to wrap him in a blanket.
Oh yeah, but he wasn't fighting me.
That's good.
But like I need to get a comb because he's got like all this like dirt to like brush out. I can't get it out with just like rubbing it.
It's weird.
Yeah. So that's fun. So what are you doing?
I am trying to make the UI for selecting a tower.
Interesting.
It's just frustrating. Thanks, Boo. And of course it just falls to its death because man, I don't care. Okay, it's still insanely laggy, and the spider's not even there. I don't... Why isn't the spider there? Oh. Okay. Well, the spider's not there because it's not grouped properly. Okay, so why is it having so much trouble? Maybe we should use a different head tracker. Because, like, this is fine, right? That's fine. What if we use a different head tracker? Maybe? No, that still lags the whole thing out. Okay. So let's just try to figure out which sculpt it is. I bet it's this one. Not all of them. 8%. That's disgusting. I bet it's these two. These models shouldn't be 8%. It's because there's joints in it. I guarantee it. I don't even know. Like... Wait, what? Is the spider not... Oh. Okay, so they shouldn't have joints anymore, but shit, it's still not working. These should just be statues. They should just be it's too expensive to make every tower fully animated. There's no joints in that one. The pig has joints. I'm just trying to get it to a working state. Okay, it's still... I mean, it's better. Well, yeah, it doesn't look good because I haven't tried to make it look good yet. I'm just trying to make it work. And it's like... I don't know if one of these sculpts is messing it up. I don't know if just the whole thing is messing it up. Like, what if I just did that? It's... What? It's still not working. Wait, what? Wait, so it was none of the sculpt? I don't understand. Is this a bug? So this works. And then if I add this chip to the group, it doesn't work. This chip of 6 gadgets. So if I add this chip to the head tracking group. Oh, no, that does work. Okay. So maybe the issue was 2 head trackers. Wait, but it wasn't in view. Now it's in view. I mean, that clearly works. And it's not lagging like crazy, so it must have been one of the sculpts or something. I don't know. It must have been. Whatever. So, I guess we'll just do text. We can just do text. That's fine. So, what's that going to look like? I mean, it's going to be easier, right? Although if we're using text, we don't need the head tracker. We can just do it on screen. Although I'm not sure how I feel about on screen. Because, like, if it's in scene, it's easier to manipulate. But I feel like on screen just makes more sense. So it doesn't have to be in the head tracker at all now. So it might as well be... Okay. It might as well be in this. What's up, Alpha? You can move the stats and stuff on screen, but this seems like too much. What seems like too much? I just want to understand what's going on. Like, it's not logic pride. I just want to know what's happening. So this is the current tower that's hovered. So let's put the display in here, I guess. It's very small. And that's, no, we don't need that anymore. We just need a selector now. Because there's no more keyframe. Well, actually, that's not true. There are keyframes. But it's still going to be a selector. There's no more interpolation. Interpolation. Yikes. So we're going to have 8 representing the 8 different towers. And then we're going to have 8 different keyframes, but let's just do one at a time. So text displayer, this will be the tiger. You know what, let's just do the one with the longest name. There's tiger, I think it's octopus. Alligator's a pretty long name. Spider, lion. I think alligator. Alligator's the longest one. And so we're just gonna make them all alligator and then change them after the fact. So this keyframe, what is it going to look like to like select it? Didn't we have a font? What was the font? It was this. This one. This one, I think? I mean, we could just do this. Yes. Yes, it was that one. All right, wonderful. I'm okay with making them black and then turning them white if it's selected. So yeah, you were talking about the sculpts on screen. Got you. I mean, it would be nice. I mean, yeah, and we'll be seeing the tower in the game, so I guess it's not a big deal at all. Okay, I don't know where everything went. Okay, good. So now we need this a bunch of times, 8 times. So that's 4 times, and the keyframes stay linked because I'm copying and pasting both. So like this keyframe is linked to this one. Okay, so let's just move them over. Uh-oh. We may have made them too big. I don't know if 8 can fit on this. Close. We'll have to make it tighter. It's okay, though. Once we get this initial placement, we can make them better. Oh, we've got room. And keep in mind, I did the longest name for each of these. It'd be cool if they implemented something like this. I don't know. I have no idea what it would look like, but to do something like this automatically. But I don't know how they would do that. This is fine. Okay. Great. So what are the towers? They are... Well, let's hook it up first. So if we try to select something, alligator, 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 alligator. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. And we don't have to put the name here anymore. Where are we gonna put the data? We don't have to put buy here. We don't have to put cancel here. It's yeah. This is much better. Much better. Let's. I don't even know. I'm not sure. Yeah, like something. Yeah, that's a good idea. Snap to adjacent text, something like that. That's not a bad idea. But again, like, I don't know. It's, that's asking for a lot. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Neaten this up. I should have done this originally, but it's fine. I'm sure you guys love watching stuff like this. Maybe you actually do. I don't know. Is the grid on? It feels like the grid's on. It's not, but it feels like it is. Asking for anything is asking for a lot. That's very true. Okay, that's better. What's next? Yeah, we can just name them. Let's name them. That one actually is alligator. Nice, this looks good. I like the text. I like how it's like playful. It's not super serious. Okay, I like this. So now the start next wave thing. We need that to disappear if, well, I mean, ideally it's just... Ideally they can both be there at the same time. So what if we like... What if we put it here? Subtly, just like smaller. I like that, actually. I like that significantly more. So, let's see. We have the wave. Is this the wave number? No, that's start next wave. Where's the wave number? Where am I displaying the wave number? Would that be here? Yes. All right, so we have our patented font. I should really have a font transmitter, but what are you gonna do? Let's just do this. I just don't want to do it. I like this song. It's relaxing. Of course it ends right when I say that. Can we go back? No, we actually can't. Fair enough. The Connections Jam really had 2 games in first place. Wow. Were they good? That's crazy. Hey, Kit, what's up? The first 5 games you saw were just unrelated garbage. Yeah. No, I mean, it definitely can happen, but I don't vote. It's a waste of my time, frankly. Maybe that's not a great thing to say, but... Is there... I'd like this font, but less bold somehow. I guess I can make it smaller. This should be bigger. The wave and number should definitely be bigger. All right, and now the two things should be at the bottom, under that. So top left, which means top right in this orientation. When's the next RPG game stream? I'm hoping at the end of the month, but I don't know. I'm gonna get this to a point where it's testable, and then we'll see. And then I'm gonna do some Cluster Factory. I want to start working on that again. I had like it was starting to get a little overwhelming, like the scope. But I've decided that I want to simplify the combat significantly. And the new head tracker gadget will make the UI much nicer to do. Yeah, I missed that. Yeah, me too, Kit. Me too. It's okay, though. Yes. Yes, they do. They hunger for it. All right, so that carrot's close. Need to move it over just a tad. Actually, I wonder if we can do this, go to edit mode, and just move it right now. What the hell is that thing? Oh. It's just a cube in our face. Why is there a cube in our face? Is that cube always in our face? Why is there a cube in our face? What is this? Oh, this is the camera. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Look through head. What? Why is it a skull? What? It's like the UI artist got fired or something, so they had to reuse one of the icons. They just used a skull. Oh yeah, use the hide tool. I mean, I don't want the cube to be hidden though. I don't know. I want it to be smaller or something. Yeah, I mean, this is our first-person camera rig kind of thing. I don't see why it can't be smaller. I mean, it's still in our face, but at least it's manageable. Well, let's be honest, it's no more manageable. That didn't even do anything. We were moving the head tracker. Why can't I group it? Okay, you know what? It's fine. What just happened? Okay. Start next wave, and you get a carrot. If we press this, we get all the different things. I like that. Okay, I like this. Do we have room to do L1 and R1? I believe we do, so let's do that. And while we're at it, let's get rid of all of the insane garbage, which I believe was here. So we just don't need this anymore. And it's definitely long overdue to change this stuff to like their actual models. I like it though. Where is this going? Oh, right here. Right, so this output is the cost. Okay. What else do we need to do? Let's get rid of... Might as well just use them, right? Yeah, remove skill. Yeah, I agree. It feels like installing Linux. No, like for example, the spell system where like the weapons could have 2 random spells on them. It was a cool idea, but it doesn't. I think it just makes more sense to have each weapon have 2 set spells, for example. Skull represents how you feel if you make a really bad and sick-inducing VR game. True. But will we be getting a haunted room from Aecert? If I make a haunted room, it'll be, like, funny. So, like, maybe it's a room, but everything is, like, slightly misaligned. Or something like that. Just something stupid. Like, I don't know. If I'm going to make a haunted room, it would be that. But is it fun? Is what fun? Oh yeah, exactly. Like, I mean, it's not more fun, I guess. It would be, yeah, I don't know, probably not. It's not fun for me because it adds a lot more thermo. That's the real question. I shouldn't add it just to add it though. I had reasons, but the reasons weren't, looking back, they weren't very good. So it's more MMO-ish. Look in the targeting combat. So no aiming and stuff. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm gonna completely revamp it though. The real question is, when can it be play tested? Literally right now. You should know that. Or are you talking about the tower defense game? I never heard of such things. Did I fill this out? Shit, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, like, that's an interesting idea. Targeted combat, like RuneScape, where you just, like, click on an enemy and then you just start attacking it. I don't think I could go that route. When will you let us beta test it? Beta test what? You can play the RPG right now. What are you talking about? What is it? What is it? Please. Enlighten me. Where are those lines? Is it this? Arrows. Jesus Christ. Okay, get out of here. The tower defense game. Today. If I finish it. As much as I love the tower defense, claustrophagy is an MP level. I agree. Me too. Thank you, Pillow. I appreciate that. No, I really do. I really think claustrofactory is promising. Like, I think it's extremely promising. It's a really cool idea. I think. Today, I'm aiming for today. I just need the game to be, like, playable. Like, right now, it's not playable because when I say playable, I mean, like, when you click on a tile, like, you don't know what these do. So, like, yeah. Anyway. So I need to get that out. Like, you can't playtest it if you don't know what the towers do. The mechanics are done. I mean, the alligator's a little buggy in my opinion, but the mechanics are finished. It's just like the user interface at this point. And I don't want it to look like absolute garbage, but we might just do that for the beta testing. Is it this one? It is. All right, so we've gotten back to the point where it previously was, where we can cancel, and we know how much we can buy it for, right? I want more data though. Instead of, like, in addition to buy and cancel. Notre Dame with the biggest raid of his streaming career. Holy shit. 28 wonderful dreamers. What's going on? It's All-Star. How's it going too? I saw you were so you must have rated Notre. Notre's rating me. I appreciate that. That's not shade. What's up? What's up, Led? Notre, thank you so much for the raid, man. I appreciate it. We are just the biggest raid I've ever given you, man. That's what I was saying. I appreciate it. We're working hard on this tower defense game, guys. Terrible pun incoming. Aecert. What's up, man? Was that shade? No, of course it was not. Aecert. It's like Hey Mitch from Hunger Games. So we have this new tower purchasing UI. I'd like to add some controls to it. Was it here? Yeah, it was in here. So I need to move Tiger over a tad. Let's move Pig over a tad. And let's do this. Okay, so to go right, it's R1, and to go left, it's L1. Does anyone remember the arrow? Yeah, there's the icon thing, but I was just wondering if anyone remembers it. Get some sleep, Noter, and it's all hard. Thanks for the streams. What time is it for you guys? Tower defense, that must be a pain to make. Raced, it... Yeah. Yes and no. Yes and no. I don't know. It's one of the more difficult things to make in Dreams, admittedly. Let's do that one. UI arrow no tail right. That is... Wow. UI arrow no tail right. Wonderful. Well, isn't that just this? Wait a second. Oh, Lord. What if we did chunky arrow right? No. Let's just do... I don't know. Let's just do this for now. And then another one, because we're going to want to scale it. Let's see if we remember this. UI arrow no tail right. I say that when it's literally on my screen to my left, but chunky arrow, yeah. Okay. I kind of like that. Honestly, I kind of like that. Let's make this L1, obviously. And let's make this one UI arrow no tail left. Still the same size. And let's just slide her over there. So Noter and or it's All Star. What are you guys making? What were you guys or playing? What were you guys doing? Yikes. Okay. That's okay. Let's do some reformatting. That's not frustrating at all. Oh, you know what? There's a better way to do this. Yeah. Orion Valentine. Orion Valentine. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I can give you guys a demo of like all the towers and stuff soon. They're all working, by the way. I use the word working loosely, but you get the point. I want to get this game out for people to test it, so we can do balancing. But I can't release it until it's in a state where like the data is being shown properly. You know what I mean? All right, now we can move stuff. Kind of awkward how it's not all evenly spaced. Looks good to me. Nice. Okay, let me show you guys what the towers do. I am going to give myself a lot more money so I can actually show this to you guys. So instead of, you're probably going to start with 100. That's what I'm trying to balance it around. Let's start with 10,000. So we've got the Tiger Tower. And this is like your generic single target medium range damage tower. Medium ranged damage? Medium damage, medium range tower. I'll go over the enemies eventually, but yeah, so then we're thinking we're not going to animate the towers. They're just going to be like statues for the most part. And the spinning is just kind of like a joke. It's not going to actually do that. Probably. But yeah, anyway, those are tigers. The next tower is octopus. So the octopus tower is an AoE tower, area of effect. It damages everything every like 0.5 seconds or something in this circle, and we can upgrade it, and it increases the range and the damage, obviously. Again, it's not animated properly, so we upgraded it a couple times. It's straight up one-shotting these. You can see the health, kind of. It's hard to see the health value while it's moving. Oh, and also the next wave indicators are... So, like, it tells you what the next wave is going to be. In the upper left. But anyway, what's the next tower? So let's go to spider. I mean, here are all the towers, by the way. Tiger, octopus, spider, eagle, alligator, chimp, lion, and pig. What about the spider? The spider is a single target. Ooh, so something's wrong with the watermelon. It shouldn't even be a watermelon. So I didn't fix the bug. I thought I fixed it, but I didn't. And I don't know why it starts to do that. That's weird. Is it movable, possibly? What it should have been was apparently asparagus and carrots, but that's fine. Let's delete this octopus that's one-shotting everything so we can actually see what's going on. So the spiders are single target slow. We can upgrade the spiders more to make the slow more powerful. What's next? Eagle. Eagle's pretty cool. It's a very long-range tower, and oh, that worked. So it's the next. I mean, this asparagus shouldn't be so far over, but the next wave should be cucumber plus asparagus. Each wave is 2 random enemies, except for boss waves. So the eagle is long range, and it's ramping damage. So it starts at pretty low damage, and then as it hits the same target over and over, its damage increases up to like times 2.5, which is pretty cool. What happened to the RPG game? Hey, Perry. You don't even need the arrows. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think L1 and R... Oh, but keep L1 and R1 is what you mean? Yeah, they're not pickles. They're cucumbers. Although they turn into pickles when they get enraged. I'll go over what the enemies do. But, yeah, notice how if it switches targets, yeah, it takes a while for it to ramp up. But then it ramps up very quickly. So the trick with the Eagle Tower probably is to place it in a place that it won't switch targets very often. But that's hard to do. So I need to fix the AI on the Eagle Tower, actually. I need to make it so once it locks onto a target, it stays locked on unless that target leaves range. Right now, it's just targeting the closest tower. But yeah, the RPG game. So I have 2 smaller projects that I want to finish, that I want to release before I go back to the RPG, and then I will continue working on the RPG. I don't want to say full-time. That implies it's a job. But I will continue working on the RPG. But yeah, so that's the eagle. What's next? Alligator. So the alligator's pretty cool. I'm not sure how well it works, but I'm going to upgrade it like twice. Oh, this is perfect. The onion, it's not perfect. Let's break the shield. The onions have a shield for 2 seconds after being damaged. Okay, so this is actually a really bad example. Let's just leave the alligator unupgraded, because the alligator, it's an AoE cone. It's like a cone AoE attack, and it stuns. It's like a mini stun. And and it's really high damage. I may rework this though. I may rework this because it's kind of like the octopus, but just worse. I think I'm gonna give it longer range. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give this longer range. But anyway, it's a cone attack, which is not clear from anything right now, but from the attack effect, it'll be clear. There is no attack effect yet, but anyway, and it stuns. So we should be able to see the stun. Yeah, it's a quick stun, but it's there, and it's AoE, which is cool. And as you level it up, so I'm gonna level it up twice, the stun gets longer and longer. So I don't know. One strategy you possibly could do is like place a ton of alligators just like right next to each other, which essentially, I mean, it wouldn't perma-stun them, but I don't know, would it? Here's a boss level. So there's 3 different bosses, and the boss, whichever boss you get, it's random. The watermelon boss is just extremely tanky, and there's a bug with the watermelon boss where instead of being extremely tanky, it's invincible. So that's fun and balanced, but I guess this will show us the stun. Now, if the stun doesn't work, okay, so the stun is working, so we know there at least something is working within the watermelon. How's your job, by the way? You're full-time dev right now? Yeah, I'm like a website developer kind of thing. It's going well. It's not too bad. Write down bugs. Yeah, I should. Let's add it to the list. What was the other one? Was there anything else? Alligator was working pretty well from what I can tell. It's good for now. Okay, let's continue. Let's keep an octopus here just to break the shields. That's not an octopus. To break the shields of the onions. And how do you guys like the cursor, by the way? I like it. I'm already used to it, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, the next wave indicators is not working at all. That's not how you spell that at all. Indicator. What's next? So we had alligator, now it's chimp. So the chimp is a single target, very long duration stun. So you'll see it work here. And of course, okay. So it's not stunning because it's one-shotting them. You actually saw it work once, but that was a horrible example. Let's try it on the next one. Love it. I've decided cursors will be in like 80% of my future creations. Yeah, because you can't make puppets. Wait, what? How does a cursor have anything to do with a puppet? But regardless, yeah, I like it a lot too. All right, watch. We should be able to see it. Yeah, see. Apparently that was AoE, but the cool... Okay, it should... I know why it's targeting multiple of them. It's fine. Do you guys like how the head is spinning? But anyway, yeah, so it's single target, long duration stun with a very short range. The idea is it's for bosses, basically. Cursors have nothing to do with puppet. Yeah, that's why I'm confused. So that's the chimp. The lion. So the lion does not do anything on its own. What it does is increases the damage of nearby towers. The tiger glows. The octopus, none of the other ones glow yet. I haven't decided what the actual effect will be. Probably not going to be glowing, but Yeah, so I think it's like 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Or no, it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So max level lion will literally double the damage of your towers. But that's pretty expensive. And then the last tower is pretty cool. It's the pig tower, and this tower does no damage. It gives you money though. So it gives you money based on how based on how many towers are next to it at the end of the round. So for example, if we put tiger towers next to it, and it includes itself, right? So the base is 1 because it includes itself, and then 8 towers around it. So this is going to be generating 9 gold. So you're probably thinking, what if you put a bunch of pig towers around it? Well, that's probably a pretty good strategy. Probably. But the thing is, like, if you buy too many pig towers, you're not going to be able to, like, you're going to lose. Oh, it's not 1 gold per tower. I buffed it, like, a lot. I think the first level is, like, 2, and then it goes up to, like, I don't know. It goes up pretty high. You got to go, Donnie. I'll see you later, dude. Have a good night. Good luck. I'll try to play the test. Perfect. Yeah, the max tower count. The thing is, dude, like, we might not... I'm not sure what the max tower count's going to be, because if we don't animate it, or rather, if we do the animations, like, only the attack effects and not actually animating the statue... Center of the screen, obviously. Yes, true. The tower count can massively increase, which will be cool to see. Modern Sundew. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. But, yeah, so those are the 8 towers. The enemies, I can just go over super quick. Right here. So the carrot, when it drops below 50% health, it heals, I think it's like 30% of its health. The onion, once it takes damage, for 2 seconds, it takes extremely reduced damage. The tomato there's nothing special about it. The asparagus is very fast, but very weak. The cucumber is tanky, and then once it drops below 25%, or 30%, I think, it takes more damage, and it goes a lot faster. So it, like, rushes. The watermelon is tanky, and it takes 10% less damage. In hindsight, that doesn't really make any sense. Why not just increase the health value? I don't know. Whatever. The pumpkin is a boss, but it's really fast. So it's like tanky, but also fast. But it's not too tanky. It's balanced. I'm sure it's balanced. It's totally balanced. And the cucumber cannot be CC'd in any way. That's not a cucumber. That's a cantaloupe. Holy shit. Wow. I'm going to sneeze. I'm allergic to being stupid, apparently. For misspeaking. Oh my god, I did it again. The cantaloupe cannot be CC'd in any way. So it can't be stunned, it can't be slowed. That could be frustrating, but, you know. Yeah, because it's not a cucumber. Yes, exactly. Okay. And that is the overview. Let's continue working. So, what are we doing? You're saying the arrows aren't even needed at all? What do you guys think? Just L1 and R1, no arrows? Yeah, that makes sense. Agreed. When we press it, we can light it up. Some sort of feedback could be nice. That's a little too bright. Let's put it to 1%. Yeah, glow can get pretty oppressive. And then let's make the fall off. Nice. Yeah, that's just some sort of feedback. Obviously, we'll add a sound, but it's just like I'll add a sound. I'll do all the sounds all at once. But for this little visual feedback, I can just do it right now because it's super easy. I won't have to like spend time searching for a sound. The arrows imply there's more of a score feature. Fair enough. Fair enough. Cool. Then if we get super crazy, we can like animate the things up or something, but this is fine for now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now for like the main thing. We need some way to display all the data. Let me actually bring the data up really quick. I have a drive file. So give me a second. These are the enemies. Let's go to towers. I don't know what I want to display. I mean, I'd like to display the price, the damage, range. Yeah, I mean, like, why not just oh, well, except for this bottom column, which doesn't really matter. So I'd like to display these three things, and then some of them only have two things, which is fine. It'll take a while, but I don't know. What do you guys think? How much data should I display? What if I only... Okay, this will be interesting. What if I only display the next upgrade? Bars could be interesting. But what if I'm not a fan of bars just because like in tower defense games it's all about like the numbers. I don't know. I didn't do this in Crystal Mech Tower Defense, which was my first tower defense game in Dreams. But what if I only showed the next upgrade? It's as you said, it's easier to consume because it's only one. It's not just like a spreadsheet. So I show what it is, and then I show what it would upgrade to, and I show the cost. I like that a lot. And then for buying it, it just shows the initial cost. I don't know. For buying it, I'd like to show everything, but maybe that's too much. No, for buying it, just show what you're buying. All right, you know what? You have to play the game to, yeah. I don't know, if I was playing it, I'd like to see everything, but it's not. I mean, this is kind of casual, right? I don't know. Is it a casual? I don't know. It's like, how casual is this game? I don't know. All right, I like the idea though. I like the idea. So for the initial purchases, which is this, we're going to show the price, not damage per shot. We'll make it damage per second. And then the range. Although we're not showing the range, are we? Ooh, that's interesting. We're not showing the range. We don't have to display the range. All we have to do, like the number, all we have to do is show the circle, but we're not showing the circle right now. So can we show the circle is the question. The hard part about that is making it consistent, but I think we can do it. At least I hope we can do it. Okay. Is that centered? Did I just get it centered the first try? Holy shit. Okay. Can I get the range data? We have titles and costs, but what about the range data? Let's do it. This will be the price. Oh, you know what? We need new range. For upgrading, we'll need new range and old range, but we don't have to deal with that right now. Never mind. Range. Yeah, the Dreams Haunted House event. It looks cool. I might do it. We'll see. I haven't read the rule. Can someone link me to that? I'm curious. We can read it. I mean, yeah, we'll read it together. I'm sure other people watching haven't heard about it either. I almost forgot to split it. That's my bad. We only want the top value. So it's a fat wire. This range data is a fat wire. Here, let me show you. So if we go to the Tiger data, that's damage, that's price, so this is range. It's a fat wire. Each one of these inputs, A, B, C, D, etc., is a different upgrade level. So the first one is the base range, and then this is upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3, upgrade 4. So I store all this data in the transmitter. I don't store it there. I store it in the sliders. I transmit it via the transmitter, and then I can pull it wherever I want. So I'm pulling it here. I only want the first value, the base value. So there it is. And then we're going to do that over and over and over. So octopus, range data, and some things don't have range. So I think some things don't upgrade their range, but they still have a range. So I can just hard code that, I guess. There it is, nice. Yeah, let's go over this really quick. We've got a ghoulish event planned for Halloween, introducing All Hallows Dream, a collaborative event between Media Molecule and you. We'll be creating a multi-story, many-roomed haunted house in Dreams. J plus B must be really looking forward to this. That's sarcasm. With each room created by a different dreamer. You're invited to submit your own spooky room or carve a pumpkin for the pumpkin patch. So you can only do one, apparently. Interesting. Probably not. You can probably do both. Your contribution can range from truly spooky to ghoulishly delightful, or somewhere in between. Our official, so we can do whatever we want. Is that what I'm hearing? Our official room and pumpkin templates are available now, right now, yesterday apparently. Just please submit them by the 27th. You can find both templates at the top of Dream Shaping or by searching the following terms. Sure. Okay, below are the rules. Head to this page and enter the link. Okay, so we actually have to submit the link to a page. Interesting. We'll let you know if you've missed some of the major criteria. Okay, like thermometer limits. Oh, and here's a room. Okay. Content must not contain content that is protected by any third party's copyright or other intellectual properties. Submitted content must comply with the code of conduct. Sure. 3 templates. Each room has a different exit location, so choose the template that works best for you. 15% graphics, 15% gameplay, 5% audio. Interesting. I wonder why 5% audio. Probably because they're going to be playing some music. Before creating anything for the haunted house, make sure you're scoped into the room group. Everything you create, I like these italics, must be inside this group. To make sure you've got this right scope, sure. You'll notice there are 2 powered-off text displayers. These denote the entrance and exit. The sculpture already placed in the elements in the element are guides for the content of your room, and everything you place in the room must be kept inside those dimensions. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm reading this weird. I don't want to read it monotone and be boring. I don't want to read this at all, frankly. Okay, don't remove anything. Limit of 6 light gadgets. Lightning is fine. Oh, lighting. Lighting is fine. Fog is fine. Only use the camera shaker if it improves a short effect that you've made. Don't shake the camera throughout the entire experience. Sure. You may not use camera pointers or cameras. Interesting. Gameplay. Your gameplay. Here we go. Your room must have a clear path, and if you plan on adding puzzles or objectives in your room, they must be optional. I'm surprised that wasn't in italics. This is to ensure that the player can navigate the floors easily. Interesting. We'll be using a puppet based on the VR friendly, if you so wish. Oh, the puppet will be able to switch between third and first person using the touchpad. Interesting. Interesting. Surprised B wasn't. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, it'll have a look at me tag for anything. Yeah, nice, nice. No movable objects are allowed in your room unless you have connected them to other non-movable objects. Interesting. You may use puppets in your room using the above workaround. Sure. Okay, again, no movableness. You may not use checkpoints for... Yeah, okay. Oh, you can't use... Yeah, that makes sense. You may animate objects in your room by using keyframes. Action records record possession. Note that if you record possession... Okay. You must be set to in scene. No on-screen text displayers, obviously. Don't set it to always on top. Yes, this all makes sense. Pumpkin, don't care. Okay, great. Oh, wow. Wait, there's actually like a ton of different rules. Okay. I can't just like do whatever the hell I want to my pumpkin. I can't put an entire game inside my pumpkin. Cool. I would do it if I had some sort of like great idea. Should I just make a room that just completely advertises myself? I feel like that would be a bad look though. That's not the point of this. So I don't want to do that. I don't know. Make an upside down room. I was thinking of making a room that was just like unsettling. I don't know, like it not in a bad way though. I mean like it's just filled with things that you know those videos of like just like annoying things like a basket that you shoot the hoop and it like rims out, shit like that. You know what I mean? You have a good idea, so you'll be doing it. Nice, nice. Yeah, crooked picture frame. Yeah, stuff like that. Just like annoying things. Like yeah, I don't mean good unsettling. I mean like not scary unsettling. Or I don't know. But that's my. It's not a good idea. It's the only idea I had, so I'm just saying it. But if you guys have any ideas for me that I should do, let me hear them. Just set up an advertisement. That's the scariest thing of all. Yeah. I debated putting so much math. Yeah, like math or something scary. Yeah, exactly. That's funny. That's good. I don't know, like, I hate horror movies. I'm not the biggest fan of Halloween. I like candy, but I don't know. All right, let's continue with this. grabbing the range data from all these towers. Just make it a math classroom. Too bad you can't put one of your fonts in there. Exactly. That would be terrifying. That's funny. So the alligator's range does not increase. It's the stun duration. But wait, but it does have range. I need to remember the entire point of this. I'm not trying to display the data right now. All I'm doing is displaying the range circle. So there is no range. It's hard coded. So what is it? What is it hard coded as? I don't know yet. So actually, what I want to do, let's go back. I do want that, but what I want to do is this. So alligator, the range on the alligator does not change, but it still exists. So let's just do this. Range data. Range data. 5 is way too much. What was the 1.3? Let's make it 1.3. Oh, hey, Lele, what's up? Here before verified. What does that mean? Oh. Aw. Hopefully I get verified eventually. Happy 1 year. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Happy 1 year. What's up? It's been a while. How are you doing? Oh shit, you're almost at 1,000 followers. Hell yeah, dude. What's up? This is a new Twitch account, isn't it? Still doing Fortnite. Congrats though. You're almost there. Good shit. Surprised you're not verified? I don't know. I mean, don't I have to be partnered or something to get verified? Can I try? I don't know. What's my followage? Do I even have a followage? Can I follow myself? Yeah, I don't think I have a followage. Six months. Oh, you can do someone else too. I don't think you can follow. Yeah, it just breaks. You can't even follow yourself. Fair enough. Yeah, you are, Layla. It's been. I mean, I've been streaming for like what? I don't even know. A year and a half. I guess you can't follow yourself. 1 month. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right. Oh, you unfollow? Wait, why the hell did you unfollow me? What the? 17 months since you got affiliate, right? Oh, since I got affiliate. Wow. Holy shit. Yeah, so that's about a year and a half. Okay. Does the monkey have range? It doesn't, so we have to do the same thing here. You got it like 3 years ago? Nice. .8? I don't even know. Okay, and then the lion. Again, the lion doesn't have range data, but it does have a range. I actually think that value is not going to change. Can we go into the lion and see what it is? Oh, I don't even... Huh. Alright, I guess I'll have to do that by trial and error. But that's fine. Kel told him to. Yeah, I know Kel told him to, but you're not supposed to actually do it. Oh my god. That's fine. I'll see you later. Alright, so now we should have range data for all of these. The pig doesn't need range data at all because it's just about adjacent towers. Yeah. Maybe it should though. Yeah, I guess it should because it's not necessarily adjacent. It's just whatever towers are in range is how much gold it gets. So yeah, that's fair enough. It can all have range data. Why not? How's Natalie? She's good. She's not good? She just got into pharmacy school, so she's studying. Oh, she's playing The Sims right now, though. But she's totally studying. In half the game, I call it a chimp, and in the other half, I call it a monkey. And it's just super inconsistent. Awesome. All right, so we've got that range value. We're going to put that range value... Oh man, what are we going to do with that? What do I do in the towers? Ah, yes. I have the signal manipulator. Right. Which takes a number from 0 to 5 and turns it into a number from 0 to 1. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see if it actually works. Okay, so that's not working, but that's okay. Oh, it's all just maxed. Oh, it's all just maxed out. Okay, fair enough. That's interesting. Wonder why. Oh, yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. I didn't wire any of it up. It was just constantly on, so my bad. Welcome back, Cypher. Lele says, Natalie, Lele says hi. Hello, Lele. Do you remember Lele? Yeah. She's like, yes, I remember Lele. Oh, boy. How could you forget? Okay, at least it's changing. It's a little too big, I believe. That's what it should have been. We need to make it all consistent. Was playing the piano for a good friend that wanted to sing during the night hours, feeling at peace. Nice, nice. Sing during the night hours. Wow. Okay, so at least we have, yeah, this is good. And then when we hover over it, we want it to be on screen. When we sell, we want it to show on screen. It'll say sell, and then it'll tell us how much we get back. And then press X to upgrade. But for the upgrade, it'll tell us what the current stats are, and then what we're upgrading to, and then also how much it costs. Right now, we have none of that data. Literally none of that data. But that's the idea. The carrot and the UI like that. Yeah, thanks. I wish it worked a little bit better, but it's fine. Okay, so I like how the range shows here. It's not consistent yet, but it will be eventually. Consistent with, like, the actual game. Let's try to make it consistent with the actual game. It's 5 from point. Okay, so maybe this should be 0.5? Maybe the line should be 0.5 as well. Let's try that. No, that's still too big. It should, so both the pig and the lion's range should just be the immediate squares around it. So, but that does mean that this just doesn't get small enough. So let's make it smaller. That's definitely too small. That could be good. This could be good. This could be good. Let's try this. This could actually fix it all. Oh, it's not going to fix it all, let's be honest. That is literally perfect. Perfect. That is perfect. Okay. And that's the minimum range. But that means, well, if that's the minimum range, I need to just redo how the range circle looks. Yeah, it's exactly right, though. Notice how when we buy it, the circle doesn't change. It lowers a little bit, but it doesn't change. So it's lowering a little bit, so let's actually make this one lower, so it's the same height. Skytrata, thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Look camera when selecting a square. Lock camera when selecting a square. No, I don't want to limit the player, because that's kind of what I did before. I like zoomed the camera in and stuff. I don't think the camera needs to be locked. Because like the player will know they're selecting a tower because all this stuff appears on screen, and the O to cancel will just be right there. Okay, let's see how this looks though. It's probably still too high. Just a little bit. What I really need is some sort of like universal range circle thing, but it's just one of those things where like it's gonna take a lot of time to get right. Unfortunately. Let's try that. That's way too low. So I think the issue is it's always on top. So it's kind of hard to tell. I think that's way too low. Yeah. All right. didn't look centered. Well, it's, I mean, it's definitely centered. I think that should be fine. Oh, this one isn't centered at all. Holy shit. That is disgusting. All right, fair enough. What about the lion tower? That's also a little bit off. That is gross. Yeah, look at that. That's not centered at all. Okay. Yikes. Fair enough. But this is annoying. It's such an artist thing to say. It's gross how like not aligned it all is. Okay. I need to get a drink. I'll be right back. I've been drinking this entire stream. How's the Sims, baby? Try to sit up. Try to sit up. I wish you would do that reference. Use your own creativity. I'm streaming. Oh my god, you're following me. Hi. Hi, baby. You want to stream with me? We have a cat. He followed me in here. It must mean he wants to be here, right? Oh, look, he's looking at me. Hi. This cat is precious. This is Pika, of course. This is the good one. No, I'm kidding. They're both good. I'm not sure if he wants to stay or leave. I can't tilt the camera here. I can tilt myself. But I can't tilt the camera. It's like locked in. Right, I actually think he wants to stay, but he does have to leave, unfortunately. Oh, nope, he's going now. Okay. There we go. Bye, Pika. Oh, he's staying. He's sitting in Natalie's seat, actually. I was looking for a webcam. What do you have? I actually have a really nice camera. My mom got it for me for one of my birthdays or Christmas or something. And when I used to record origami videos, I needed like a camera, a nice camera. And now I'm using it for a face cam, but it's just like a camcorder. Excuse me. It's pretty nice. I don't even, there's no point in me figuring out what it's called because it's like not what you're looking for. It's like a Canon camcorder or something. But yeah, it's definitely not what you're looking for. All right. Oh, Pika left. Rest in peace. You know what would be nice? If when going through the wire, there's a rumble. Wait, when going through the wire, there's a small rumble from the controller. You feel the electricity. Yeah, do it. Do it. That would be cool. Okay, what were we doing? We were messing around with the range circle. Look, we have something in place. I will work on that later. I really just don't want to deal with it right now. No, I had to get a cam link, unfortunately. On the yeah, I got a cam link. Make sure the original range circle is centered. I just don't want to deal with that right now. I don't know why it's not, by the way. That is just not centered. At all. Wow, that was off by a lot. I don't know how that happens. Or how that happens. Should be better. Sinusoidal wave signal? Oh, that's what Malardy said. Maybe have the rumble determined by some sort of sinusoidal signal. Yeah, interesting. That's a cool idea, though. Make it like, literally just hook a signal generator into the rumbler. That's an interesting idea. I've never tried that. I don't know what that would like feel like, but might make it buzzy. Yeah. That could be cool. That could be very cool. Yeah, you should definitely try that. Okay. Sinusoidal. I've never tried to say that out loud. I only read it. And when I read it, I say it in my head perfectly. Because AC is alternating current. Right. Okay, what else? Didn't I say I wanted to display just the stats? So I just need to go through every single tower. And a description, too. So buy for 30, that's good. Cancel is good. I'll move that somewhere else, but what else? Maybe over here. Or actually, let's put the buy. Do I have the grid on? I don't want the grid. I don't want the grid. This. Let's put the buy here and bigger. Cancel here. Something like this. Just so you're not gonna miss it. I kind of like that. As long as it's differentiated from the bottom text. And that's not really centered. Let's do that. Okay, that looks pretty good. Doesn't look amazing, but we can always change it. And then the stats, I would like here, probably. But the thing is, I'm gonna need different stats for every single one. So that's just, it's kind of annoying. Okay, so it looks like this, yeah, this is which one I have selected. Titles, costs, let's put the stats here too. Ah, this is super annoying. And then if I want to change it, I'm gonna have to just go through all of it. All right, you know what? Let's not add the stats right now. Let's just add the description. I wish you could keyframe text displayers. Like, I wish you could keyframe the text in them. All right, this will be the description. So, your I don't even know what to call this shit. Oh my god. Okay, these are all work in progress. I don't really care. Generic single target damage tower. I am open to changing all of these. Okay. I cannot stress that enough. Not really sure why I set it up this way. Why didn't I just make the wire power on the entire chip? I don't really know. I think at one point I had something in here that needed to stay powered on. I think that's why. Whatever. But like this kind of stuff is going to be really annoying to change when, not if, when I want to change it. So getting it right the first time is important, but it's not going to happen. It's just the thing. So like if I want to move that, there's going to be 7 more identical ones that I'm going to have to move, which is super annoying. But there's no way around that, from what I understand, because there's no text variables or anything like that. It's something Dreams does unbelievably poorly, unfortunately. This song. You have some descriptions already by the towers. Yeah, but they're not like... I don't know. I can just type more out. It's fine. What is the next one? Oh my god. Octopus. Maybe like sustained area of effect damage, something like that. These will get more complicated. It's just these towers are very simple right now. The spider is single target slow. Honestly, they don't have to be, yeah, the description can be super simple. But like, let's say I want to move the description somewhere else. I'm going to have to do it like 8 times. Hey, Pico, welcome back. Come here. Hi. Is the next one the eagle? Yeah. So for the eagle, so let's see. Long ranged. This shouldn't be, whatever. Single, I guess I'll camel caps it. It doesn't matter. Single target, ramping. Let's. Damage, which increases. So the damage of this tower increases as long as it stays on a single target. How can I say that? Long range single target damage, which increases when so like when you don't switch targets, single target ramping increasing single target increasing damage, which resets when target is changed. Something like that. That's decent. It's a little wordy, but I don't know. Again, these are not like these aren't final. All right, It's just for the beta testers. All right, what's the next one? Alligator. Conal damage with mini stun. I don't even know if that's how you spell conal. I don't even know if conal is a word, honestly. With mini stun. With mini stun. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and now the chimp. Conic? It's conical. Conal. I feel like conal. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Single target, long duration stun. Single target damage. With long duration stun. Yeah. Another rune situation. Oh, is it conical? Oh, like conical? Conical, right. Not conical. Conical. Yes, I think I knew that. Coned? Conical, yeah. That conical. Oh, that's so weird. It sounds like Comic-Con. Conical. Is it conical, or conical? Oh no. Coney? Let's just not make it a cone. How about that? Has anyone explained yet why the predators are in a tiny grocery store? Look, dude, they're just going to where their prey is, all right? Prey being the vegetables, the produce. It's conical. What did I say? Conal? Oh god. All right. Anyway, percent damage increase on adjacent towers. And this is gain gold at the end of each wave based on number of adjacent towers. There's a theme here, apparently. And then we're going back to the alligator because apparently it's not conal, it's conical. No, that does make a lot more sense. Conical damage. Conical. Okay, I'm just gonna learn this. Honestly, it sounds weird. All of the versions sound weird. Here we go. What is it, guys? Conical, conical, or conical? What's it gonna be?
Conical.
Oh, it's conical.
Conical.
That is a weird voice.
Conical.
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 Can I get a different voice? Louis Moratelli. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Conical. Conical.
Conical.
Learn to pronounce. Yeah, how about I just pronounce everything incorrectly? How about that? Why is the grocery store tiny in the field? Yeah, I don't know, Andy. Like, the Conicals of Narnia. The Conicals of Narnia. The
Conical.
of Narnia. Okay, I'll stop. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Conical. Oh man, is the stream lagging again? Give me a second. You guys probably didn't even notice. Every freaking time my OneDrive tries to sync it. Ugh. All right. Actually, we're not even lagging right now. It's fine. It's fine. Try refreshing, guys. Try refreshing. Old Man McGucket Cray Cray. Thanks for the follow. What a name. Yeah, but we dropped 3,000 frames recently. It's not dropping anymore, but feel free to refresh to get back to the future or the present. The present. Text Reader Pro, sure. Oh, this looks cool.
Conical.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
Conical.
Conical. Yeah, it's conical. It's not conical. It's conical. Conical sounds like a foot problem. I'm not sure what that means. You're finally on Dreams. What's up, Boom? Chronicle? No, conical. Quanical? Shut up. Put your headphones on. Natalie's making fun of me. Actually, no, she's not making fun of me. She's just straight up yelling at me. All right, no more Chronicles of Narnia or Conicles of Narnia. Rune. Yes, yes, no. Okay, let's move on, please. Please, let's just move on. We have the descriptions. Should we also put the name in the top right? Would that... I feel like that's weird, though. I can't even read the buy or cancel. Like, I can't even read that. Maybe some sort of shadow would be good. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's not supposed to look like... It just... I just want to release this for the testers. For the testers. Okay, the softness... I'm not even sure how I feel about that. I don't really like that at all. Shadow is something that if you overdo it, it looks horrible. Like, horrible. Is there some universe where we can do this where it doesn't look bad? And then, like, why can't we change the shadow's offset? No, that's... There's just so much wrong with that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. For now, we will leave it. And I know the number, the buy value, whatever, didn't have the shadow, but yeah. So we have the descriptions, we have the name, we have the price, we have cancel. Put a transparent text box on the bottom of the screen. Put the buy and cancel under the description. Why would a transparent text box, how would that help? Oh, like a background. Is that what you're saying? Like put a background? I know. Just put a background or something. I agree. The haunted house rules are kind of... What's confusing about them? But yeah, boom. We were just talking about the word conical. Conical. Wow. Like Connie. Conical. Comical. Conical. I'm so sorry. I'm going to stop like right now because I'm annoying myself. I don't even know what that word means. Like cone-like. It means cone-like. Like a cone. Conical. I'm just making sure. Having the shape of a cone. So I was kind of wrong, actually. It's not like a cone. It's the shape of a cone. Yes. Conical.
Conical.
Okay. We good? We good. So... You're suggesting I put the buy and sell or buy and cancel over here. I would agree. I would definitely agree. You know what? But then like I have all the stats that I just need to like hand place, which will take a while. And I don't want to start that. We only have... Well, honestly, we should probably just get off right now. There's just so much wrong with this UI. I hate it, but it's whatever, man. Like, there needs to be some sort of background. I completely agree. Okay, can we super quick? Can we get rid of these shapes? Can we at least do that? We have. I thought you were saying chronicle. No. Conical. No. Yeah, guys, definitely refresh to get back to the present. All right, before we get off, can we put the models? Can we replace the models? The shapes with the models. Let's try. I have a bad feeling that it's just going to horribly fail. But... Natalie, what's going on, babe? Oh shit. They keep eating paper towels. Just one at a time. Okay. Isn't there logic on this? Yeah, let's take that logic off. That actually worked really well. Now, will the other ones work really well? I'm going to say probably not, but maybe. Who doesn't love eating? Yeah, toilet snacks. Paper towels. Lots of fiber. The roll is the best part. Are you gonna gray the models? Yes, 100%. I'm gonna make them look like some sort of hologram or something. Yeah. Yep. In fact, yeah. Let's just do that right now. That's a good call. It sucks that you can't do transparency in dreams, but I don't know. I guess we'll work with it. Everything is a freaking group, man. I don't want to deal with this. I just want statues. It's wearing pajamas. It's wearing a jumpsuit. Okay. Whatever. It's fine. God damn it. Like, it's all gonna be different grays. I don't really care. It doesn't matter. We can change it. We can change it later. It does not matter. This is gonna take such a long time to fix all these models. Like I should not be the one doing this. But it's not the, so I just want to make this clear. It's not the person's fault who made the model. They didn't, like, I didn't even know at the time that it needed to be a statue. But like, for me to be able to like actually do this game, it needs to just be a statue. It cannot, they can't be jointed at all. It's just too, it's too expensive. It's just straight up too expensive. So yeah, I know I'm getting frustrated, but it's not their fault. I do want to just make that clear. It's not my fault either. It's nobody's fault. Well, it's probably Clix's fault for getting the models before we decided on everything. But honestly, like, it was a fair assumption that the models would be animated and jointed and stuff. You know? So, I don't know, like, it's just too expensive, though. It's just too expensive for this type of game. Could probably coat the whole group. Seriously? What the hell is coat mode? I've never used this before. I don't even know. I literally have never seen this menu in my entire life. How do I do a color? Is this working? Wait, it's changing everything. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Wait, so what do I do? Seriously. Like, how do I change the color? Oh, right here. It doesn't appear to be working. Oh, it just takes a really long time. That's annoying. Okay. Well, shit. That's convenient. Wait, that's actually, like, kind of cool. Why can't I do this one? So can I just scope all the way out? No way. Oh my god. This is amazing. I've never used this before. Holy shit. I didn't know this was a thing. This is the coolest thing ever. Holy shit. You can just scope all the way out. Okay, apparently this one's already done. That's fine. Well, hot diggity damn. Holy shit. Did anyone else know that except for Andy? And Sock Wielder. Nice name. Sock Wielder. Oh wow. Yeah, Pillow, my knowledge is literally just your knowledge, so no. That's really funny because it's true. Okay, so Piece of Craft knew, but that makes sense. Zypher knew. It's in the tutorial. Yeah, I didn't... Tutorial? I played the tutorial in beta, and I didn't even go through all of them. Can you tell? Okay, seriously though, the coat tool is the coolest thing I've ever seen today. Yeah, it just affects the tint. That's what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted though. This is seriously like, you can change everything in a group. Oh, how freaking cool is that? Well, okay, of course the spider doesn't work, but, you know. Just falls here. Stupid freaking spider. Good enough. Just starts freaking crawling. I kind of like the animation though, honestly. So gray color signals a lock thing? No. It signals a hologram. It has an apply finish tool in it too. Interesting. It's just like a hologram. You know, because, and then when you buy it, it appears, right? So look. Bam. And then it appears. There just are no holograms in Dreams, so you make do. We could do a slightly bluish tint, which may signify a hologram a little more, or maybe even more whitish. Maybe brighter. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot better. That's cool. That's a cool tool. Okay, I asked who knew this. Who didn't know that? I think that's the better question. Who didn't know about that? Coat mode with the tint tool can apparently change literally everything in an entire group. Everything. Who didn't know about that? The animals aren't even in the real world. That's a twist. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, boy. Wait, so this isn't based on real life? What? It's news to me. Who made this freaking rule? Dude, I don't know why I care so much. I'll just tint it later. I'll just tint it all later. Oh shit! I actually took the eagle out. Whoopsies. Only thing I don't like about coat mode is you can't spray paint over it. Right, because it's the tint. And tint overrides spray paint. This freaking... Can we just, like... Please, just get out of my face. Holy shit. Time goes so fast. You love the alligator scorpion. Yeah. It's just, the monkey head right out, and the monkey head just like, I wouldn't call that rocking. I'd call that something else, but he's just very tired. You can select and edit specific colors with the grade effect gadgets. That's cool. Turn oh, Lord. How's it going, babe? What? I'm glad. Are you going to want to go to bed soon? You need to, but are you going to want to is my question. All right. It's kind of cool. Long overdue. You know what? It might be too bright. It matches the tiles. It's okay. Do we make it blue-ish? Like a light blue? I mean, we can do whatever we want. Let's try. Ooh, I kind of like it. It's giving me Claustrofactory vibes, but I like it. Bam. This game is the jankiest, but I kind of love it. You know what? It works. Make the floor a different color from the model. That probably would look better. Yeah, you call it a gorilla. In the game, it's a chimp or a monkey. Depends on where you are. We're just gonna play. Let's just see what happens. This game is just... There's so much... There's just so much happening. I like the blue, and I think you should... Yeah, I like the blue, too. I think you should make the range circle blue. Okay, so you can read it against the white. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. You just drop out of nowhere. All right, babe. I'm getting off. Good time to end, too. I think that's for the eagle. Wait, what is this? One of these white cubes is for... I don't even know. Is that for the chimp? I'm not even sure. It's just nothing has gone that far. Because we have too many towers. Because we have 10,000 gold. Oh, that might be for the... That might be for this eagle. I mean, I guess I can just delete things until it... Ooh, that's a bug. You can just hold triangle. You can just hold triangle and delete everything. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Right. We're making progress. We are definitely making progress. There is so much polish that needs to go into this. But it's okay. It's totally okay. I'm not sure what I want the description area with the stats to look like yet. We'll see if I should be able to come up with something though. Yeah, prioritize readability. I completely agree. I'd like to just move this somewhere else, honestly. I like the names along the bottom. I think that's kind of nice. So you know where you are and you know where you need to go to find a different tower. I like that. The buy and sell, or rather the buy and cancel, don't make sense there in my opinion. I think they should go here underneath all of the stats that don't exist yet. So the stats will be here, the buy and cancel will be here, and this entire area will have some sort of black box. I don't know. I guess the bottom thing should have some sort of box as well. We can do that Friday. We can do that later. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish today. I'm not surprised because everything on this checklist has like 10 more things attached to it, which is so like for example, the next wave UI, I thought I was just going to change the text, but no, I had to add an indicator of like what enemies it was. 2 weeks until this project is done, dude. I want it not done, but just like testable. 2 weeks. Oh god. We'll see. I don't think holding triangle to delete that way is bad. Oh, it's very bad. It is very bad. Because there's no undo. So if you accidentally delete a tower that you want, I would be pissed. What I need is a confirmation for delete, honestly. There should be like, are you sure kind of thing. That would get rid of the holding triangle altogether if we added a confirmation. But like, yeah, so tower purchase info. I mean, I can't even check this off. I worked on this the entire stream and I can't even check it off because like what is it? It's freaking this bottom stuff, and then it's the description, it's all the stats that, not all the stats, I just want the base stats. I'm not going to display all the stats. So, I mean, that should take another half hour or something just to make everything look nice. And then the tower hover info, that I didn't work on at all, which is this. When you hover over a tower, I want you to see on screen, not in scene, which is what it is right now. I want you to see on scene. Wow. I want you to see on screen the current stats, the upgraded stats, just the next upgrade though, just the next upgrade. And then how much it costs to get there. And the sell, how much you get from selling. That's going to take a while. And then all the other stuff on this, I mean, there's some bug fixes, and then there's loss condition and high score. Those will not take long. I hope. But these two things are going to take a long time. But we'll get there. We will get there eventually. All right, who are we going to raid? Imagine the path is a conveyor belt with a cashier at the end. And you lose money when she scans the items. That, honestly, like, I like that idea. But then why are the predators attacking it? That's a cool idea, though. That's a very cool idea. It's funny that you mentioned a conveyor belt, because that's that's my other project, a game with conveyor belts. Claustrofactory. Who are we raiding? Who are we gonna raid? Gecko. Joe Ryan. I like raiding Joe Ryan. No, nothing wrong with Gecko. Let's click on Gecko just to see how he's doing. Feel free to give Gecko some love, guys. He's one follow away from 100. You know what? He's one follow. Let's just raid Gecko. He's one follow away from 100 followers. Oh, Zadira is streaming? I follow Zadira, though. I don't know who Duquesne is. Ooh, is he making music? Oh, hell yeah, he's doing music. Cool. I do just want to check out the dreams category speedy quick. Just raid everybody, yeah. Oh my god, wait, am I not followed to... Wait, Zodira Sunflare. Well, shit. Okay, I'm gonna follow Zadira really quick. My bad. But we're not raiding her. We're raiding Gecko. All right, guys. Raid Shadow. Exactly. Raid Shadow Legends. Exactly. A dude actually named Shadow. Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's funny. If you don't want to see ads, you can get Twitch Turbo. Interesting. I wasn't like super complaining. I don't know. It was just kind of annoying. Where like I'm about to raid and it takes like a half of a minute just to see. Oh, maybe I was. I don't know. It doesn't matter. All right, guys. Anyway, I'll see you Friday. We're making progress. I want to get this out for you guys to test. I really do, but we'll get there eventually. Have a good night.
Dang, Aecert, now I have to put my microphone on for a little bit. I'm in the middle of dinner. I'm eating sushi, Aecert, and you go and raid me like this?